Hi guys, good morning. For today's vlog, we're going to harvest the rice here in our actually this is not our rice farm because our rice farm is not ready to harvest yet. So this is my cousin's rice farm, so we just working there. Then he gonna give us a rice. So we're going today. Oh my god, look guys, so muddy. I work with my two brother, then with our dog. Our dog is crying. So we're going today. I bring some water because it's really hot. Oh my god. It's a slide. So we almost got there. Over there. So nobody started yet. Nobody started to harvest there yet. So the owner of the rice farm, they told us yesterday that the rice farm is ready to harvest. So we're going today to harvest his rice. So yeah. So by the way guys, this is our rice farm. It's not ready. It's not ready yet. I show you guys that one. This is our rice farm. From there to here. It's actually guys, our rice farm is not huge. If we harvest this, sometimes we got 22 sacks. It's not same. Sometimes our rice is if our rice is not good, like have a lot of bugs or something like that, like only 14 sacks, 14 or 15 sometimes like that. Then if it's good, we got 22 sacks, 22 or 23. Yeah. Our dog is crying because our dog is first time to go with us here in the rice farm. And the rice field. Oh, have a lot of kangkong here. Kangkong, I don't know what's the English of that, but we used to cook that here in the province. Even in Manila, I saw in Manila have a lot of kangkong there. But here in our province, if we don't have viand or something, we get here, then we cook it. So guys, we are here. Sometimes guys, some of the people here, they get the kangkong to feed the pig. Not only to cook, we can use this one to feed the pig. So guys, we're here. We only have one but it's huge. Oh, not really huge. Maybe we're gonna finish this. What time is it? We're gonna finish this. It's 7:18 now, so we're gonna finish this. My exact time that we're gonna finish is, I think, 9 or 10. So I'm with my brother, my two brother. Then after we're gonna this is the way how we harvest the rice here in the province. Some of places they use the machine like harvester, but this rice farm is not really used to use a harvester, so we're gonna use this one, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna start it now. Sagap-sagapan na lakad to kay ako kadi.
Bibigyan kita ng tanong sa akin. Tama kanan ito. Ding ang bato.
Oh. So the first we're gonna remove this boot first because it's kuan halbo. mahalbo. So guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to harvest. Like, you can hold this like this, then you can doing like this like that. So easy, guys. So easy. I'm so fast, guys. Because when we was a kids, we already know how. No, we grow in the province. Then we know how harvest the rice when we was a kid. So now we know. Sorry guys, my English is not good because I'm not good in English. Oh my god, guys, look at my foot. This is so hard for us to harvest this rice because look at, guys, it's so so muddy. I don't know if I say right, but I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. My brother.
Live ito, live.
Dire.
Ha?
Dire.
Ayaw, Paul.
So maputik, guys. So maputik. Mahalbo. I'm sorry guys, I can't show you. It's hard for me to hold the phone while I'm doing because it's so muddy. Then I can't focus my work, so sorry guys. Hope guys you support my YouTube channel. That's really helpful for me to subscribe my YouTube channel. The weather here guys is bad. So after this guys, we're gonna file this all together, so that when tomorrow when the what do you call that, treaser, so that tomorrow if after this we're gonna file together, then we're gonna file over there because it's not really like wet, so we're gonna file there. Then when tomorrow the treaser is going here, so it's easy for them to get this file. So yeah, so we're not gonna file here because it's so wet, then it's muddy, so we're gonna file over there because it's not wet. It's not really seem like this that you're over here so muddy over here. So yeah, we're gonna file there. Maybe guys you don't know what is treaser. Treaser guys is a machine that you can get your you can get this. For example, you can get this one and you put in the treaser, then when it come out only the rice, no this one, only the rice is come out, then it's clean. Yeah. maybe you still don't know what is treaser, but that's the machine that you can put your rice over there. You can put your rice, then it's sorry guys, it's hard for me to explain because you know I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best guys to explain to you so that you understand me. But yeah, the treaser is a machine that you can put your rice, then to clean the rice, so no no grass, only the rice. Hope you understand guys. I'm really sorry my English. Hi guys, we're already finished guys. So we're going to pile the rice to put together, so that it's easy for them. I mean, it's easy for tomorrow to it's easy for them to treaser the rice. You know, treaser is the machine that they use to clean the rice. So it's already there. I mean, some parts of the treaser is already there. So guys, we're to finish, you guys. Oh, it's dark because the weather here is bad. So it's already finished. From there to on the way there. The way there. To that red person. Yeah, that one. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna put together. Yeah, because it's raining here already. Because the weather is bad. It's raining here already, so we're gonna rush so that we can finish right away. So you guys, I'm gonna update you later. So we almost finished, guys. Just put there together. It's a big pile now. So yeah, it's really hot. Earlier it's raining. You know, it's really hot. So we need to rush and finish this because it's really hot so much right now. We don't have any water because we already finished the drink. I bring a little water here because we don't have a big container to bring here, so it's I bring only a little bottle of water, so we don't have now. I'm thirsty. So yeah, this is the work here in the province, because if you can't work, you can't eat. So yeah, this is work of the people who live in the mountain. We work in the farm, rice farm. So guys, we're about to take a break on there. So this is our file, guys. This is the rice that we put together. It's a big file. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. We're gonna take a break because it's really hot. I don't know how many degree right now, but it's really hot, guys. It's really hot. So we're gonna go to the kubo, a little house. Here. We call kubo. Buy kubo. A small house so that you can rest here. You just put here a kubo for the farmer.
Kubo.
For the farmer. For taking a break. sweating so much. I'm real sweating so much. Our dog is tired. So yeah.
Paling po yun nga.
So guys, mag-relax muna kami dito. So we're gonna relax here because we didn't relax when the time that we started, we didn't relax. So just now. Our security guard. Let's go, doggy. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. So we're going we're done taking a break. We're going back to work now. Oh, you feel hot? Look at my face. I have a lot of dirt. We already finished. This is a big file. Yeah, so big. Yeah, so we're finished, guys. So we're going home now because it's really hot. Oh, by the way, guys, that's the part of the tracer that we're gonna use tomorrow to tracer the rice. Yeah, so we're going home now, guys, because it's really hot, guys. It's really hot. Yeah. The dog, our two dogs, are taking a break on the kubo. So we're going home now with the two dogs. So guys, we're going home now. We just finished working here. I really want to get a kangkong because I'm gonna cook to make an adobo. But I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. Then it's really hot. So maybe next time. Yeah, next time. So yeah. So guys, hope you enjoy. Hope guys you support my channel. I'm a small YouTuber. Hope you help me. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.